Hello guys, welcome to YouTube series of data science and machine learning. Today we are going to understand variables. So variables in Python is nothing but a location to store a value. Same like other languages, it's just let me show you. A is equals to 10. This is a int variable, int type variable. If you have studied C or Java, it's an int type variable. But in this, we don't have to specify it int. Same like b is equals 5.5, it is a float. We don't have to specify, the Python compiler specifies itself. And in C it's a string, which is also specified by the compiler only. So a variable is just a location created by the Python or compiler to store any value which is given by us. The other way to store a value is a comma b comma c is equals to 10 5.5 ml. We can use this type of uh, technique or writing, but it's just little unreadable for the coder, but it can be done. We can assign the multiple variables same value, just like a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to ai. It's a string type. There will be no error. We can try it. We can use print a and b c. We can print anything. Look, everything comes output is same. I mean, every output is same, and that shows that all the values are same, and it can be done like this also. Okay, so storage locations. When we say x is equals to 3 and print its id, it shows the id of the location where it is stored. It means a box is created and the value which is given is stored in that box, and the address of that box is c. We have printed the address of the box. Similarly, if we put the same value in other variable, the address will be same. It will have no difference. This is the value same. It's just mean y and x are pointing at the same variable or same point, just like this. This is our value. We first stored it in x, so x is pointing at 3. Similarly, y, we used the same value, so y is also pointing at 3, and its address is whatever 1 4 anything blah blah blah. So this is the observation we had is the x and y points to same memory location. X and y points to same memory location, and when we assign y another value, the address changes. So this is it, the data types we will learn in next part of variables. Thank you.